Hello everyone, welcome back to Hobby Concepts. This is Raj. If you're new to this channel and would like to watch about tried and tasted recipes and tutorials on arts and crafts, mixed media, paper quilling and other related stuffs, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. We start with today's video right now. The rooster or the hen. The size of this egg template is 7 cm by 5 cm. You can also recycle any carton and cover it with a color paper. Now, as far as possible, keep the egg template on the flat surface and stick the paper strip so that we get a flat finish at the back side of the egg template. The way we have covered the egg template for our lamb, similarly we will cover the egg template for the bunny. After sticking all the strips inside the egg template, this is how it will look. If you would like to know about it in detail, you can check my previous video on making of the lamb. I have linked the relevant videos in the description box below. Here I have recycled a carton sheet and covered it with the orange paper. Now today I am showing you the other method where we join all the strips to form a lengthy strip and then make the beehive design. I've joined 10 strips and each of it is 30 cm length. Now let's connect it to our egg template. If you haven't seen my other videos of the lamb and the Easter bunny, I have linked the relevant videos in the description box below. You can go check it out. Stay tuned till the end. I'll also share with you a bonus tip on beehive quilling. Now, starting from the sides, let's stick the strip to the egg template. After completing the sides, start sticking another layer inside and so on. Now while sticking the next layer, ensure to stick the coils in between the two coils so that it forms a design. Now apply glue little at a time and start sticking small portions at a time. Now let's finish off the entire egg template. Now secure the end using glue. Your egg template for the rooster is ready. Wow! Isn't it looking beautiful? Now it's time for the additional tip or the bonus tip on the beehive design. Now while sticking the beehive strips, sometimes the rolled coil gets unwound. So to rectify that, all we need to do is using the needle tool into the paper strip and wind it again as shown. This is also very helpful when you have a little excess beehive strip and you would like to fit it instead of cutting a little excess and throwing it off. Now secure the end using glue. Your egg template for the rooster is ready. Now let's make the other parts. Let's make the hands for our rooster. Take 7.5 cm strip and apply glue at the end and secure it. Now fill it with the beehive strip. For this project, I've used yellow color strips. You can also use orange color strips. My one strip length is 30 cm. Now make one more and shape the hands as you like. Now make the crown and the feet for the rooster using a plain red paper strip. But I thought of slightly giving it a little different look. You get such corrugated sheets in the market out of which you can cut out the strips. It is flat on one side. It comes in various colors. If you don't get corrugated sheet, we will see how to make it. The corrugated sheet is optional. Now using a crimping tool, crimp a red paper strip. The size of this paper is 3 mm by 30 centimeters. Usually I cut my own paper strips for my projects, so I use 80 GSM colored A4 size printer sheets. Now to get the corrugated sheet like appearance, we need to stick a plain strip to the crimped strip. Now you can either stick this crimped strip to a plain strip before doing the project, or stick the corrugated strip while we are making our project. I prefer to stick it while making my project. Now using a plain red strip, let's make the shapes as shown. You can call it a W shape or an M shape. Ideally, it is the feet shape. Soon I'll make a video on all the shapes. If you enjoyed the video so far, do let me know by hitting the like button, and don't forget to leave your comments on what you liked about this video. It really means a lot to me. Now cover it with the crimped paper strip and secure it with glue at the end. This is a bit time consuming as the crimped paper strip takes time to stick to the plain paper strip, and also we cannot press it hard, else the crimp might go off. So we need to work with patience. Now we require 2 more. So 2 is for the feet and 1 is for crown. You can increase or decrease the size of the crown as against the feet, or keep all the 3 of same size. I have decreased the size of the crown as against the feet. Similarly, we will crimp the orange strip or the yellow strip for the hands and stick it to the hands.
Wow, this is after sticking the crimped paper strip to the plain one. But I plan to add one more crimped and plain strip to it. So take both the strips and start sticking it around the hands of the rooster. Now let's make the beak for the rooster. I've taken red color paper strip 10 cm length and made a loose coil using the circle size 10 in the template. Now secure the end with glue and make a teardrop shape. Now from the bottom, push it towards the tip of the teardrop shape to get a triangle shape. Now this will be the beak. Now all the parts are ready to be assembled. I'm using this big wiggly eyes for the rooster. As usual, I would like to arrange and position everything on the project so that I get a better idea to increase or decrease the size before I secure it with glue. This looks good to me. So let's secure everything with glue. Wow, our cute rooster is ready. Isn't it pretty? Do let me know in the comment section as to which one has been your favorite so far.
I hope you will try this soon. That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I would like to thank you for watching all the way to the end and would look forward to seeing you on another video very soon. Until then, live, love, relax, keep smiling and enjoy your life. Take care.